Just a few sprinkles around today, but it could be a very wet Saturday, kind of targeting late in the afternoon and evening, say roughly after about 3 or 4 in the afternoon through the evening hours for the best chance of rain. Maybe coming down kind of heavily tomorrow, some slow moving rain. The heaviest rain again late Saturday and the Saturday night, maybe a couple thunderstorms too. And then drier weather returns to most areas by Sunday afternoon. This disturbance pushing through with the best chance of rain should be gone by Sunday morning, so most of the showers will be gone with it. There still might be a couple left over, especially near the coast by midday, but probably looking for some sun to break through again later Sunday afternoon. 71 right now in Weslaco, 72 in Brownsville, and 70 in Rio Grande City. Temperatures haven't changed much this afternoon. We've only been climbing a couple degrees since late this morning. Been holding right in the upper 60s and lower 70s all afternoon long, thanks to a lot of clouds and again a sprinkle or two. Now this evening, if you have plans, probably going to be dry most of the time, especially early this evening. Just a little sprinkle possible with lots of clouds, but the later and later we go into this evening, there could be a few more sprinkles and maybe a few very light rain showers, but no heavy rain, no storms or anything like that this evening, just clouds most of the time. But occasionally you might have to flip the wipers on a little bit or just dodge a few raindrops. You can see clouds all over the place and occasionally a little shower and sprinkle around, but mostly sprinkles in the valley. Some actual light rain showers by Laredo and near Corpus Christi and out over the Gulf waters. And zoom out a little bit more, you see there's still some more moisture to the south, but kind of have to wait for a disturbance in Mexico to move across Mexico tomorrow and toward the valley to really get the air pumped up for some bigger rain. So sprinkles on future track this evening and tonight, but you see mostly gray skies and lots of clouds around. As we get toward midnight and later, then maybe a couple more light rain showers are possible through morning. So there's 6 a.m. tomorrow, and between there and about 10 a.m. the rain starts to increase a bit with some light rain and a couple showers, especially in the upper valley. And the computer models the last 24 hours or so kind of keep hinting at the best chance for more heavy rain will be kind of from Hidalgo County westward into Starr County and Mexico, and maybe a little lighter rain toward the coast, but still it's a good bet that nearly every place should get wet tomorrow, especially late in the afternoon and evening. So there's future track again at 10 by 4 showing the red indicating some heavy rain across Zapata County, parts of Starr County, and then some showers elsewhere. But you see how the heavy rain's trying to move eastward through the evening, so the best bet for heavy rain in the evening, but at the same time it might kind of weaken a bit. But again, anywhere is a chance for some good rain tomorrow evening, but the biggest chance, the greatest chance appears to be in the upper valley. By Sunday morning, if you're up early, maybe a couple showers near the coast, but most of the rain kind of fading away. There's still maybe a few showers at the coast at 11, but the clouds should begin to thin out fairly quickly late in the afternoon. So we may see some sun Sunday afternoon, but at least the morning hours look cloudy and maybe some showers at the coast, and then lesser chances of rain as the afternoon goes on. By Monday, we're back into dry weather across the valley, maybe some clouds or fog in the morning, but I think sunshine takes over, mostly sunny skies by later in the afternoon. So in terms of rainfall for this weekend, you see future track by 2 p.m. tomorrow showing some rain in the upper valley, about a half inch or so, but then it really adds up the rain after that, with some areas getting a couple of inches of rain or close to it, especially when we start to see these darker blues and into the red. So there is a threat for local rainfall amounts and spots that maybe be up in that 2 to 3 or 4 inch range in some areas tomorrow. So keep an eye on the sky. It could be very wet and maybe some storms Saturday afternoon and evening, although the threat for severe weather in terms of hail or wind is looking to be pretty close to about 0%, just mainly heavy rain. So wet tomorrow, drier Sunday, especially by afternoon. It warms up on Monday back into the 80s with mostly sunny skies and breezy conditions. Tuesday, another front in the area, a fairly weak one, but it could spark a shower or storm late in the day. And as the front kind of hangs over us, some clouds keeping temperatures down next week, maybe in the upper 70s to near 80, and a few showers at times. But the biggest rain threat continues Saturday night. We'll track it for you in more detail coming up. Carrie?